We're making chewy chocolate chip cookies, and over here are the ingredients that we'll be needing. Baking soda, vanilla extract, brown sugar, standard flour, chocolate chip cookies, 2 eggs, a bowl, and butter, melted butter.
So we sift the flour into a bowl. Into the flour put white sugar and brown sugar, and then stir it to mix well, or rub it through your hands and it will mix up nice and evenly. Now that everything into a small bowl, you're going to put 1 egg yolk, and a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Next, just mix the baking soda with the butter. Baking soda always has to be dissolved, so you need to mix it with liquid. On this occasion, it's the butter. Now that everything's ready to mix, you put the butter into the well, and then you add in the eggs. And then you just mix it to a sticky dough. And if it gets really hard to mix, just use your hands. Put spoonfuls of the mixture onto, and then just squash them with your fingers just a little bit. Yummy!